During this Lugano meeting, we discussed the role of a response-adapted treatment in patients with follicular lymphoma with high tumor burden and requiring initial therapy. And we disclosed the preliminary analysis of the FOL12 prospective randomized phase 3 trials. And although we planned the study to demonstrate that response-adapted therapy could be of benefit for patients after induction therapy, we demonstrated that once again maintenance therapy with rituximab for 2 years was superior to any kind of response-adapted approach. We designed the study 6 years ago, and at the time we planned to demonstrate a superiority of a response-adapted therapy, offering intensified treatment to those patients that were PET positive, and also offering no maintenance to those patients that were PET negative and without any residual molecular disease. However, during the conduction of the study, we found that the rate of PET positivity at the end of induction was by far lower than expected. We found 12% of positive cases instead of the planned 25. So we changed the study in a non-inferiority study, increased the sample size, and after the enrollment of 800 cases, we here disclosed the results. The results demonstrated that patients under maintenance had a 3-year progression-free survival of 84%, while those patients that were in the experimental arm tailoring treatment according to the quality of response, the 3-year progression-free survival was 69%. So the difference is really huge, confirming the results of the former PRIMA trial, and probably we have to continue to suggest our patients these options to use maintenance for 2 years with rituximab.